So an increasingly more frequent question that I'm getting lately across all my social media, not just TikTok, is will this alocasia grow outside? And the short answer typically is no. In the southern side of Australia, it's really hard to keep any sort of alocasia alive outside all year round. Alocasia tend to go dormant over winter, and if you're in a really dry area in Australia, then the alocasia won't like that either. They really like higher humidity. But in the area that I am in Australia, which is the east coast, and about halfway down Australia, I guess you could say, I'm sort of central east coast, if that makes sense. The humidity is relatively high, and also the cold isn't awful in winter. It's still pretty bad, but we don't get snow or anything like that. But anyway, I wanted to show you an alocasia that will survive outside in Australia through winter, usually. Like, if you're going to put an alocasia outside, this is probably the one to put outside. And it's depending on who you ask and what you look up, but it's either going to be called it's going to be either called the Alocasia Macrorrhiza or the Alocasia macrorrhizos, or it could be also commonly known as the taro or elephant ear, things like that. But I know it as Alocasia macrorrhiza. And it's very simple and green and plain, but it's so effective when it gets bigger. I will show you the mother plant, because all of the ones that I have, because these are available on the website as every other plant that I show you, the ones that I'm selling on the website were grown from seed too, so sometimes there can be some uniqueness to them. So this is what the mother plant looks like. Do not get me wrong, it gets no attention whatsoever, and it's growing in an old compost heap, so it's not in the best condition. But as you can see, the trunk is insane, and this is literally just growing outside year round. I'm trying not to show you the outer streets, but incredible. And if you want something a little bit more fancy, another one that I grow outside all year round, another one that's been a bit neglected because of the crap and it's under a big tree that branches just fall on it, is the Alocasia Regal Shield. Not Regal Shields like some people say, it's Regal Shield. Gorgeous plant. Very similar in the sense that it's just plain green, but this one's more elegant. I think it sort of has more of a velvety feel to the leaf, and it's darker, and it's just prettier in my opinion. But I don't have this one for sale on the website. I only have the Macrorrhiza. But both of these plants live outside year round. Never had a single problem with them.